So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check a file for viruses without opening it on your systems. Now, for example, if you have downloaded a file, now you want to check it for viruses without opening it. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have. In the browser, simply go to this website, that is virus.com. Go to this website. Now it will ask you to upload that particular file over here. Just simply hit on this option of choose file, upload that particular file. Let's say, for example, if I upload this particular file, now it will check, and here you can see the list that none of the virus is detected in this file. That simply means that this particular file is safe, and I can download it, and I can open it with security on my system. I don't need to be worried about anything. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.